My name's Tom Morgan. I am the productivity engineer here at the Alabama Productivity Center. Been with the center approximately 15 years. One of my responsibilities is teaching 8-step problem solving. In the industry, some people will note this as 8D problem solving. A lot of people will know it as A3 problem solving. What we're trying to get our students to understand is how to do a deep dive into the root cause of a problem, as well as to find permanent solutions to a problem. Not just understanding what the symptoms are, but what are the causes and how do we form permanent solutions to solve your problems. Our program is a little bit unique in that we do a hands-on demonstration using Legos. We have a airplane factory that we've developed. And using this airplane factory, we simulate problems in industry, and then we go through the 8 steps, solve those problems, and then the students at the end of the session are able to implement their solutions and see how things work, how good are these solutions, and just have a great time, have a lot of fun learning about problem solving. For more information about this particular program, please visit our website. It's apc.ua.edu.